If you want to turn your love for football into profit by creating a sport highlight as your content in your YouTube channel, then watch this video until the end. Step 1. Choose your niche and video idea. Before going into creating videos, it's important to come up with a solid idea. As a huge Arsenal fan, I focused my first channel entirely on Arsenal content. Sharing my passion for the club was enjoyable, and I created videos I personally wanted to watch, knowing millions of other Arsenal fans would be interested in the same. Many creators choose topics they're passionate about, like a club, player, or specific football era or position. Choosing a subject you care about will make the process more fun and increase your chances of success. Types of videos to create. Match compilations. When it comes to football videos, you don't have to appear on camera, narrate, or film your own footage. The challenge usually lies in gathering a lot of clips, which can be time-consuming, and then editing everything together, adding music and effects. However, there's one type of football video that requires less work, but can still attract millions of views, which is match videos. These involve taking full matches and condensing them into a few minutes, focusing on the most exciting moments. Player highlight videos. Often, these videos are compilations of memorable games from a team, player, or just general football highlights. You can make these videos 2 to 3 minutes long without needing music, as most viewers enjoy the commentary. A single match can sometimes be enough to create an 8-minute video. These videos can include more than just goals and big chances, and often feature player compilations, showing every involvement of a player in a match. Road to final or victory videos. You can even create videos with highlights from multiple matches, typically titled something like Road to Victory or Road to Final, covering a team's journey in a competition such as the Champions League or Premier League. These videos tend to be fast-paced, with each match reduced to around 1 minute. Match videos were the first kind of football content I created, and they remain the most successful. Many football channels on YouTube now focus on this style because they generate millions of views, sometimes even over 40 million. They are also quicker and easier to make compared to other types of football videos, since there's less footage to find and the editing process is simpler, often just involving cutting and trimming. With the vast number of football matches available over the past 2 decades, the possibilities for content are endless. Step 2. Find football clips. If you're having trouble finding the matches you're looking for, it can be frustrating. One of the most common questions I receive is, how do you find and download football matches? There's a website called Footballia that gives you access to over 37,000 matches, ranging from current games all the way back to the 1950s, all for free. You can search for specific players or teams and view a list of all available matches. After creating a free account, you can watch both recent and classic matches that are difficult to find elsewhere, making it one of the largest football archives on the internet. They even have a feature that allows you to watch all of a player's career goals, which is great for creating videos. However, while Footballia doesn't offer a direct download option for the videos, many people resort to screen recording matches, which is time-consuming and reduces quality. But there is a hidden feature on the site that lets you download the videos in full quality. To use it, right-click near the video and select Inspect, then go to the Network tab and play the video. MP4 files will appear, and you can double-click on any of them to open the full match in a new tab. Finally, click the 3 dots and choose the option to download the video in full quality. Step 3. Understanding copyright issue. The biggest obstacle in creating football videos is copyright, and this is where most people go wrong. They simply cut out highlights, compile them, and upload, which often leads to their videos being blocked. So, how do others manage to upload football content? They do 2 key things. They visually transform the original footage and add value to it. This is what enables creators to upload movie clips, sports footage, and other copyrighted material on YouTube, while still being able to monetize the content. Step 4. Ways to transform your video. When transforming your video, I've found 3 essential ways to apply during editing to make it compliant and effective. Number 1. Change the clip order. This means that each time the camera angle shifts, it creates a new clip. Typically, a sequence includes a wide shot, a close-up, and a replay. By swapping the second and third clips, you create a different sequence than the original broadcast, which helps prevent YouTube's Content ID system from detecting it. Number 2. Trimming the clips. The next step is trimming your clips, as football videos are often shown for a short duration to avoid copyright issues. After uploading over 100 videos, I've found a safe duration that most creators use. For wide shots, it's best to keep them under 5 seconds, while close-up shots, like celebrations or slow-motion replays, should stay under 3 seconds. Number 3. Cropping. Lastly, cropping the video is a simple yet effective way to transform the footage. By cropping, you reduce the visible area of the original video, which is a helpful way to ensure it's visually altered. Step 5. Add value to the video by changing the clip order. Trimming the clips and cropping are typically enough to post your video, but there's a possibility that YouTube may monetize your video without allowing you to earn revenue, citing reused content. This means you haven't added any original value to the video, simply reposting someone else's work. So what does it mean to add value? You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or use complex effects. The easiest way to add value is by including text. Text not only adds something new to the video, but also gives it your personal touch. You can choose what to write, such as details like the score, goal scorer, time, offside decisions, or other important information. You could also share your own commentary, providing your thoughts on the game, offering context, or analyzing the events, which gives the video a storytelling or educational element. By using text, you can be creative, express yourself, and make your video stand out, even if it uses similar clips as others. Step 6. Enhance your title and thumbnail. While creating a high-quality video is important, a strong title is essential for attracting views. The most effective titles on YouTube provide value to the viewer, encouraging them to watch. To achieve this, I focus on crafting titles that align with popular search queries. Your title should highlight the main subject of the video, like a player or team, and offer a reason for viewers to click. Additionally, including an attention-grabbing thumbnail will improve your click-through rate, leading to more views. By combining these elements, your football videos will start gaining traction and visibility. So far, you have learned in this video that you can create successful football videos on YouTube that involves choosing the right video ideas, transforming content to avoid copyright issues, and adding value through text or commentary. Using platforms like Footballia for sourcing clips, editing effectively, and enhancing titles and thumbnails, you can start growing your channel and monetizing your passion for football. Before you go, I've got a question for you. What type of football content do you enjoy watching the most on YouTube? Highlights, analysis, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, we might talk about how Temu is better than Amazon. So if you're curious, stay tuned for more upcoming videos in Profitability Plus. See you in the next video.